Double tap. Empowering your social media journey with technical brilliance and creative insights.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to delete Insta account. Certainly here's the method on the topic how to delete your Instagram account permanently. Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you to discuss an important topic that has become increasingly relevant in our digital age: how to delete your Instagram account. In a world where social media platforms play a significant role in our lives, it's crucial to understand the process of removing ourselves from these platforms when necessary. Specifically, I will guide you through the steps to deactivate and delete your Instagram account should you decide to take that path. First and foremost, it's essential to evaluate your reasons for wanting to delete your Instagram account, whether it's to regain control over your privacy, reduce digital distractions, or simply take a break from the online world. Understanding your motivations will strengthen your commitment to this decision. Once you've made the firm decision to delete your Instagram account, follow these steps. 1. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device or visit the Instagram website on your computer. 2. Log into your account using your username and password. 3. Navigate to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, click on the settings icon, usually represented by a gear or 3 dots, depending on the platform you're using. 6. In the settings menu, choose the security or accounts option, depending on your Instagram version. 7. Look for the personal details section and select delete account. Instagram may prompt you to re-enter your password for security purposes. 8. At this point, Instagram will provide you with information about the consequences of deleting your account. Take a moment to read through this information and understand the implications. 9. If you're certain about deleting your account, follow the instructions to proceed with the deletion process. Instagram may ask for feedback or a reason for your departure, but this step is optional. 10. Finally, confirm your decision to delete your account. Please note that once you delete your Instagram account, all your data, including photos, videos, comments, and followers, will be permanently removed. If you're looking for a complete removal of your presence on Instagram, deleting your account is the appropriate choice. In conclusion, deleting your Instagram account is a personal decision that requires careful consideration. By understanding the steps involved and being aware of the implications, you can confidently take control of your digital life. Remember, there are various reasons why someone might choose to delete their Instagram account, and it's essential to respect their choice. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this information has been helpful. Remember to prioritize your well-being and make informed decisions when it comes to your online presence.